So we got a 2006 Ford Mustang Saleen. I'll let you guys hear it before. It's got some holes and rattles in it. Go ahead. Want some more throat again? About 110. The sound decibels on it. Very nice car. We'll let you guys hear it after we're done. It's got MagnaFlows on it. We're going to replace them with FLOWMASTer. So we let you guys hear it before with the original mufflers on it. It's a Saleen. This is what it's got after. It's got high flow cats and headers. Then it's got a BBK X pipe. And then we put FLOWMASTER Super 10s on it in place of the regular stock mufflers. Right there and right there. These Saleens, that's how they come. They have one dumped down and one into the center tips. That's how Saleens are. They give that look. So that's what she looks like. That's what we just got done on it. Gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Decibels. So now it goes to about a 117 instead of 110. If you guys want to purchase those FLOWMASTERs, there's be a link in the description for them. FLOWMASTER Super 10 on a Saleen Mustang. It is a true Saleen. Let you guys hear on the inside. Just park it there. I guess it's number 1567. There's the badge, the 281 Supercharged. Once, yeah. Give it to the other guy. Mustang Saleen.